It was a gorgeous early morning to visit one of Disney World's most beautiful parks, Animal Kingdom. And no photo could ever do justice to the iconic Tree of Life. Just look at that detail. But our first order of business was Pandora, the world of Avatar. The flora, fauna, sights and sounds of this sci-fi world overtake your senses as you become a part of this beautiful and breathtaking fantasy.
Folks, here we are in Avatar, and it's incredible, the detail, the design, everything that you would expect from out of a Disney production, it's here. And you'll absolutely love it if you're a fan. Even if you're not, it's going to capture your eye. There isn't a bad spot to take a picture. So come along as we journey through.
Did you notice my birthday button?
Hey, I felt left out.
Thank you,
I want to be in the vlog.
Is what Disney staff uses to acknowledge birthdays and anniversaries, both of which my wife and I were celebrating. 29 years of marriage and, well, I'll skip the other numbers.
So, I just got off the ride, the Navi River. Absolutely incredible. Animatronics, excellent. The beauty of all of the lights and the colors, the sounds, the music, the details, all of the things that you'll probably hear us talk about, it's in there and all over the park. So far, being the very first ride of the day, incredible. It's going to be hard to kind of top that off, although I'm looking forward to seeing, or at least trying, and I'm sure there are going to be a lot of things that come close, if not hit that mark. But we've got to do the Flying Avatar ride, and I'll tell you what the name of that is later. But so far, so good. This is a beautiful park, and it's our first time coming to Animal Kingdom.
Oh, here's a photo op. By now, we've worked up quite an appetite and decided to see if the rumors were true that Animal Kingdom had the best food you'll find in any of the Disney parks. Well, let me tell you, Satu Li Canteen did not disappoint. Who knew that Pandorian cuisine could be so doggone good? I'll be the first to admit the creatures here look a little odd, but I sure do love the way they taste. Now, I've heard just how fantastic Avatar Flight of Passage was and knew that no trip to Disney World would be complete without this experience. And so, here's the ride story. Alpha Centauri Expeditions, or ACE, has reactivated the Avatar program in an effort to repair the damage done to the Ikran population due to mining practices. Guests are invited to link with an avatar in order to partake in the Na'vi rite of passage, which is to fly an Ikran, better known as a Banshee, over the Valley of Moira. Unfortunately, we weren't able to document the actual ride itself. However, we were able to capture the experience leading up to this 3D thriller.
Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikran, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready.
Gentlemen, we have just ridden the flying Na'vi birdie thing.
Flights of passage.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just gotten off Flights of Passage. Absolutely incredible. This ride, it's a motion simulator ride, but it feels like a roller coaster. You sit down on a little seat. It's almost like a motorcycle. You have your 3D goggles on. lights, noises, so forth, so on, and then wham, there you are. You are inside a Na'vi. You have been transported into an avatar. And then from there, you're riding this Banshee, which is incredible. It honestly feels like you're flying. This is one of the best motion simulator rides I've ever been on.
Pandora, the World of Avatar is the highlight of Disney's Animal Kingdom, and Avatar Flight of Passage is its best ride. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Dove Life.